Thinking about staying at Sunshine Travel RV Resort in Vero Beach, Florida? We have what want to know before you book. Welcome back to Compass 4 Nomads. Let's jump right in. The drive-in is really easy. Sunshine Travel is right off I-95, just a couple of minutes from the exit. You do want to watch the traffic coming in and out of the two gas stations close to the entrance. But it is easy to spot and well marked out right. As you pull in, there are a few big spots to park the rig when you check in and get all your information. Here's a quick look at the map. Once you're inside the park, the roads are wide enough for big rigs and easy to navigate. Most of the sites are back in with full hookups, and the pads are pretty level. A few spots have softer ground. Spacing is pretty typical for Florida, not too tight, but not the most spacious either. Overall, it is a good-sized spot. Next, let's talk amenities. Right in the center of the park, you've got the amenities area. The pool is clean and usually pretty quiet, and the clubhouse sits right behind it. Off to the right is the laundry room, and the bathhouse is on the left from the side with the pool. They have a surprisingly nice mini golf course, shuffleboard, cornhole, and a few other games. It's not over the top, but everything is clean and easy to get to. Right next to the pool and clubhouse, you've got the laundry room. The laundry room is clean and easy to use. The machines were all working when we were here. The bathhouse is also kept in good shape, clean floors, and plenty of ventilation. The dump station is located toward the front of the park, and they're easy to pull into if you're not at a full hookup site. Everything is clean and simple. The road here is also plenty wide enough for someone to get past you if they need. There's a dedicated dog walk area along the side of the park, and then a huge fenced-in dog park that gives your pup plenty of room to run. It's one of the biggest dog parks we've seen in 1,000 trails. They also have pet waste stations throughout the campground, so it's easy to clean up as you go. If you're traveling with a dog, this park really makes it simple. Now, let's talk about grocery stores, food, and delivery. One thing I really like about this location is how close everything is. You've got Walmart about 10 minutes away, Publix around 12, Aldi around 15, and there's also a Target about 15 minutes away. So whether you need a full grocery run or just a couple of quick items, everything is close and easy to get to. For food, you've got plenty of options close by. All the usual fast food spots are within a few minutes. There are also some great mom and pop spots and some amazing local businesses around Vero Beach if you want something unique. So whether you're grabbing something quick or sitting down for a meal, you have a lot of choices close to the park. Delivery here is really convenient. You can get packages shipped directly to your site. I've had Amazon, Walmart Plus, and Chewy all delivered here with no issues. And best of all, no extra charges. Overall, we had a really good time here. It's clean, quiet, and easy to get around. The staff was helpful, the amenities were well kept, and everything worked the way it should. And if you're planning a trip here, I've put together a video of free and cheap things to do near Sunshine Travel, so you'll have plenty of ideas for exploring the area without spending a lot. Thanks for watching Compass 4 Nomads. If you want more RV park overviews and real-life tips on what to expect before you book, make sure you subscribe. And don't miss my upcoming video on free or cheap things to do near Sunshine Travel in Vero Beach area. See you on the next adventure.